Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely transform your garage lighting with just a little bit of money and a little bit of elbow grease, and you can go from a dark garage like this to a fully lit garage like this. It's really easy to do, guys. Less than $100, a little bit of elbow grease. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. But man, I've had a problem with not having enough light in here, and with the days getting shorter, and you know, whether it be raining, getting cold, I want to keep this door shut, whatever it might be. You can see right now I have very poor lighting as it is, because I have one fluorescent light right here, and I have a poor little this is a LED light, just a bulb. Nothing fancy. I do have a little LED light on my drill press right there, and I will also turn on this light with my garage door opener, and it does help a little bit. I'll show you here, and it kind of gradually adds a little bit more light. But over here, I need more light in here, just for those days where I need to have that door shut, and you're working at night, or it's, you know, it's fall time, raining or whatever, you still need more light in that garage. So Barrina said they would like to send me some 4-foot LED lights, and they're sponsoring this video, by the way. I'd like to thank them for sending these lights out to me so I can show you guys. They're 4 feet long. They sent me 8 of them, and they're LED. We got 4 connectors with the switches, and then you have extension cords. It looks very easy to set up. We got a bag of hardware, and you have different plugs because you have a male and a female on each end right here. So it looks very easy. These are very lightweight. I thought I was having to be very careful and delicate with them, but they seem pretty durable. But they're very lightweight. And these little clips, haven't opened up the bag yet, but they got what appears to be little stainless steel clips that will slide right into this aluminum track right here. We'll see how bright this is and how much power we're using. So here we go. And that is nice. A little bit of spike, 20 watts. Around 20 watts. Just go ahead and round up to 20 watts per light. So I'm going to turn off these other lights and see what it looks like. Just using that one light. Lights up that much of this room. This garage is 23 by 23. So this is it in the daylight before I put up the lights. And I also got some great ideas from the Barrina website on, because I was thinking of how I was going to hang these. And just real quick, I want to show you guys the cords that come with it. The actual power cords with the switch, they are 5 feet long. And then you have 8 basically extension cords to go from one to the other light. That are 4 feet long, and then they give you 2 wires where you could hardwire it in if you wanted to, let's say, put it onto your home's switch. You could do that. But also they have these little connectors, because you can connect these lights in line with each other. They also have the little hardware. This is going to be really easy to install. I may change the fasteners here. Oh, they also have some little end caps here that look like little hearts. They just go on the end. So if you do, just put them on the end that don't have any power plugs on it. But I'm glad I watched those videos, because it really, I think I'm going to basically utilize most of the lighting power after watching those videos. Instead of maybe putting them in the corners, I may try just hanging them all just kind of on the ceiling some way, because that way I'm not blocking half of the light with a roof or a wall. All right, guys, a little bit of a status update here. It's super easy to install. The only problem was where my beams were running this way and then they started running this way. But it's so easy to do, especially if you have like a laser measuring, because you want to get, uniform, same distance from the wall and all that good stuff. So I got them all lined up where I want them. I've got 6 of them here. And I'm going to show you what I've got planned here. So what I'm going to do, I don't want any wires on the ceiling. And as a matter of fact, as I've been investigating everything, this is going nowhere. Previous owner must have ran that to a doorbell or something. I'm going to take that out because I want a nice clean look. And so I've got the lights in the position I want. I'm going to drill a hole, really as small as a hole as I can. And I'm going to plug in, run the wires up into the attic, and then I'm going to hardwire them in with the hard wiring going to this other light because it's on a switched outlet already. And so I've got the power killed off to this. I got all of my power killed. I'm actually just running off fans off of some solar. And actually I got one of the lights up in here giving me light in the attic. I'll give you a better look at that in just a moment. But if you don't feel comfortable doing this, guys, get an electrician to do it. But I am not going to explain to you how to hardwire it in. I'm just going to show you my plan. Because basically I'm going to take these little pigtails that extensions that they've given us, and I'm going to need, I'm going to go from this one and I'm going to just merge them together, tie into that one, get these two. So I'm going to have to drill some holes. Got a lot of work to do, but it'll be really nice having all the lights on just one switch, and then that'll leave me 2 other lights that I may leave one up in the attic, but I definitely want one. I'll just actually kind of see if I want it over here by my toolbox or over there, but it might be enough right now. All right, so it's the next day. I spent quite a bit more time having to move stuff around in my attic and actually have to take it up some floors. And I hardwired in 6 of these lights. And I wanted to show you guys how impressive it is with all the natural light I have coming in right now. It's in the middle of the day. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I have a door open right here and my garage door open right here, and you just see the natural light. But I'm going to show you when I turn on these lights, and 2 of them are covered up by the garage door because I have the garage door fully open right now. Just watch how much brighter it gets in here. Look at that. Look at that. And I'm having a problem with my fluorescent light there, and it's the only problem. These lights make me want to get rid of this one altogether, and I bet that's brighter than this one. Plus, each one's only using 20 watts. So right now, 120 watts is what the the Barrina lights are using to brighten it up this much more in the garage with natural sunlight coming in. So now I'm going to shut the garage door, and we'll see. We'll shut this other door. Look at this. In the middle of the day, very bright. 120 watts right now if you don't include that one. And sometimes that one doesn't even turn on. See, like right now, that one's not even turning on right now. And I have these all wired in with the switch. And I can turn the garage door opener. And so we're 120 watts in the middle of the day. That's how bright it is in here. And then without it, that's how dark it is. 120 watts from Barrina. 6 lights. I got 2 more. That's incredible. That's impressive. And since that fluorescent light already looked so bad and it was giving trouble, I went ahead and removed it and put another Barrina light in between the 2 in the middle of the garage, patched up that hole, hot soldered it in, and look at the results. Look how much better it looks. Makes me want to, I'm going to go ahead and wash this garage door. I'm going to paint my attic door white, and it's going to really help pop all this light in here. I'm going to show you the difference of the results right now. It's raining at the moment, but let me show you real quick. Turn out these lights. Look at the difference. That's crazy. 140 watts right now for these 7 lights. Makes that big of a difference, and it's just instantly on. So I went ahead and washed this door. And since those Barrina LED lights hook up just like any other lights, and it was so simple, it allowed me to have enough time to go ahead and clean up this door really well, paint the back side of this white, and all these little steps will help reflect that light. This looks so much better. I can't even believe this is my garage now. It's like, this looks so modern and just, it's so sleek, everything. I really want to thank Barrina for sending these lights out to me. I think it's a great deal, easy to install. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, you can get a discount, 5% discount on these lights if you use the code Mechanical Mind. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel again, and I'll have more videos like this coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys.